Designed in a contemporary minimalist style, this unit can turn into a sofa to accommodate many people when needed, and then can easily turn into a queen-size bed to provide a cozy sleeping space at night. The hydraulic mechanism makes the transition smooth and hassle-free. The anti-skid legs ensure that the bed is rooted to the floor firmly to ensure safety. Our guests always fall in love with the comfort of the mattress and humbly admit it is more cozy than the ones they have at their homes. Invisible Bed also allows you to customize the ply finishing so that it fits seamlessly with your interior design. And what's more assuring is that furniture comes with a 5-year warranty and a 10-year mechanism warranty as well. Invisible Bed is truly a new revolution to interior designing. Visit invisiblebed.com today to upgrade your space and transform your life.